Okay, now we're talking about the real snack here. This is come from bottles of food distribution, snack and bakery. Bottles Reganet Bakery from Alti Alejandra Badu. Distributor food company. Wala gis ko na cater gis.
Alam na to. Alam mo rin.
That's not anti right there from the oh ay po na apay bagay na. That's from Auntie. She have a bakery before from on her town place. It's called the Bados Raganit Bakery in Pigdig, Lawag, Philippines. Pigdig, Lawag, Philippines. She can make a good dessert. You guys wanna cater? Call her up. Let me know. Yes, she live in 4103 Kiaka Drive. Same shit as me. She can make good dessert. Good dessert and pandesal. She used to own the Bados Bakery in Pigdig, Lawag. I mean, not Lawag. Pigdig in Philippines. Bados Raganit Bakery. This is my favorite right here, macaroni. It's my pads right. So, auntie, we go get your license. You go sell at the kind at SM Mega Mall. Where's that SM Mega Mall? That's Philippines? No. SM Mega Mall is a swap meet mall. At the weekends, I go tell her that. Only once, Wednesday. Oh, yeah, she go to that. So, auntie, yeah, go get your license. I go come with you. We go sell these snacks at SM Mega Mall. She said, yeah, okay. Some days I will get my license. I call them SM Mega Mall, swap meet mall. Oh, I'm just okay, let's eat snack, mother. May sample. Ito yung nasa natin man pare.
Hindi ka na ba
Bisi natin guys. Magbisi na yun.
Bati lang ko.
Bati lang?
Oo.